Diksha. Today we are doing Parvatasan mountain pose. Let's start.
Sit in the Padmasan slowly, inhaling in 3 seconds. Raise both the arms together for an upward stretch. Very good, very nice. As possible. Join the palm each other, very good. And hold this position for 6 seconds. Then breathe out in 3 seconds and slowly come back. First palm position back.